Hello and welcome to KaiTech. Now in this video we are going to learn how to install a WordPress plugin. Now to install a plugin, you first need to log into your website. So log into the back end of the website. Now when you are logged into the back end of the website, hover your mouse on plugins over here, plugins here, and then click on add new. Now search for the plugin that you want to install. So today we are going to install the Yoast SEO plugin. So we search for Yoast. Now this is the plugin that we are going to install. Now all you need to do is click on install. So after that, click on activate to activate the plugin. As you can see, the plugin is successfully installed and activated. That is it over here. So that is how you can install and activate a plugin. Now the second one is we're going to look at if the plugin is not in the WordPress repository. Okay, so now let's look at a situation whereby the WordPress plugin cannot be found in the WordPress plugins section over here. Now how do you install it? If you have the WordPress already the plugin already downloaded on your machine, how do you install it? The same way, you hover to plugins over here and then you click on add new. Now after clicking on add new, this time around you're not going to search for the plugin, but you go to what? Upload plugin over here. So we click on upload plugin and this side will open for you. Okay, so you have this one. Now if you have a plugin in a zip format, so it should be in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So we have to either drag it to this place or click on choose file and then we install it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the plugin on my machine. So firstly, I'll click on choose file and then I'll go to my desktop and then I'll search for plugins. So this is the plugin that I'm going to install. I'll just click on it and I'll click on open and then it will be it will be opened over here, or it will be uploaded over here. So all what I need to do is I need to click on install here. Okay, so it does the plugin has successfully been installed, as you can see over here. So all what I need to do is to click on activate to activate the plugin, and that is it. It has been successfully activated and we can see it over here. So that is how we can install and activate a plugin on a WordPress website. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.